Congratulations on purchasing your Westinghouse oven. You can follow these simple steps to set up your appliance. To prepare your appliance for the first time, remove all the internal boxes and packaging before operation. Wipe out the interior with warm, soapy water and polish with a soft cloth, making sure to keep the oven open until it's completely dry. Registering your product is easy and important. Simply follow the steps on the label of your oven door. Open the oven and locate the label on the inside of your product. Take a photo of the camera icon, making sure you capture the 4 dots in the photo. Send the photo to the phone number provided on the label. You'll receive a confirmation SMS with a link to complete your registration. Don't forget to opt in for special offers and other important product information. Registering your oven provides you with accurate model information and is a simple way to get product support and service. Use this instant and easy method for your oven now. Before operating your oven, it's important to get to know your control panel. Check out the Quick Start Guide or User Manual. Learn the functions and you can operate with ease. Using the sensor fields to operate, touch the on-off field. Then choose your function and temperature using the arrow toggles to choose each of these options. Remember, you can always go back a step by touching the back button or simply hold it down for 3 seconds to go back to the main menu. You can also set a favorite setting or choose a cooking time by pressing these buttons. For further details on these menu options, please view our other how-to videos. Depending on your model, your control panel will look different. Refer to your user manual for specific functions and definitions for your oven. A handy tip: work from left to right of the panel to choose your controls when you are ready to use the oven. To install your side racks, identify both the left and right hand sides. Make sure each side has the lower edge towards the oven back wall. Insert the rear peg into the rear access hole provided, ensuring that the peg is fully inserted. Then locate the front peg into the front access hole and push in firmly. Cooking is a whole lot easier with the Westinghouse Telescopic runners. You can safely pull the racks and trays all the way out of the oven. To install your telescopic runners, identify both sides of the runners, choosing the right-hand side first. Open the oven and look at the right-hand side rack. The wires on the inside of the rack can mount the runner. Fit the rear runner clips to the back of the wire by clipping on. Then push the front runner clip over the wire until secured. Complete this process for the left-hand side oven runners and you'll be ready to bake, steam, roast, air fry or grill with your Westinghouse oven. The shelves are designed so that they have maximum extension but cannot be accidentally pulled right out. To fit a shelf to the side racks, Step 1. Rest the rear edge of the shelf on the lower guide rail of the side rack. Ensure the same rail positions on both sides of the oven are being engaged. Step 2. With the front edge raised, begin to slide the shelf in between the guide rails of the side rack. Step 3. Once the rack is in the rails on both sides, the shelf can be fully pushed in. The fitting for your grill racks is the same as your oven. You can install these in the same manner. To install your air fry tray, push the tray along the top of the slide until it hits the back post. Then drop the front of the tray onto the slide, ensuring it sits behind the front post. Maneuver the tray until it sits flat on the runners. If you have purchased a model fitted with an electronic clock or programmable controller, you must set the time of day before you can operate your appliance. For model WVEP618 programmable controller, set the time after the appliance has been connected to power. Press on/off to turn on. To set the time, press until Settings is highlighted and press OK. Then Set Time of Day is highlighted and press OK. Press arrow up or arrow down to set the hour and press OK. Press arrow up or arrow down to set the minutes and press OK. Press back to return to function menu. For model WVEP615, 617 and 627, set the time before the appliance can be used. When power is supplied to the oven, the clock icon will be displayed. Along with the clock symbol, the number 12 will be flashing. This indicates that the hour portion of the time is ready to be changed. Toggle the temperature selector minus or plus, then touch the clock icon when you have the right hour. The minutes will flash and can be set in the same manner. 5 seconds after the last change, the clock display will stop flashing, confirming that the time has been set. Your clock or timer is now set, and you can use your Westinghouse oven. It's important to condition your oven before the first use. New appliances can have oil or residue left from manufacturing. To remove this, you will need to heat your oven for 30 minutes before use. First, turn the function selector dial to fan forced. Using the temperature selector, set the oven at 180 degrees for approximately 30 minutes. Please ensure that the room is well ventilated during this process. Once the temperature is reached, leave the oven on for 30 minutes. Afterwards, turn your oven off, ready to use at your convenience. If you need additional help setting up your appliance, simply scan the QR code on the front of the Quick Start Guide for the full user manual. Or you can contact us at the Customer Care Centre.